You know what they say, a tunnel a day keeps the doctor away. Let's go ahead and have a good day with the S2000. Been a while since I filmed a video here with the S2000. Everything's been Miata this, Miata that, because obviously the Miata's been my big project lately and the thing I'm gonna be taking my road trip in. But don't worry, we still have the S2000. I've still been taking it out a lot actually. I've had the chance to take it to car meets, I've taken on drives, taken it skateboarding with my friends. I mean, I've done like all this random stuff with it. And well, shoot, in case you guys were curious, here's a little, here's a little highlight reel as of late.
So much control on that shit. Oh my.
That was cool. Yeah, buddy. I'll tell you what, it's definitely going to be a bummer to be away from this car. I've been going on the Miata for a little bit over 500 miles now, and I'll tell you what, like, I just forget how slow that car is. When I went to buy this car, everyone said it was slow, and I believed everyone, I believed the internet, and it's just, I'll tell you what, it's not slow. Before we put away the car for a little bit of time to go on the Miata trip, I am gonna take her on a nice uphill twisty run right here. See how she goes. Nice clean roads today. Oh, big rig. A little bit of construction out, so I don't want to drive too ridiculous, but sun's out, water's off the road. Really just gotta get after it when you can, right? Oh yeah, there we go. Gosh, I love this car. Holy cow. Not a lot of room for error on the sides here. You see there's a bike lane, but there's about 1 inch of it on both sides. It's kind of a crack up that it even exists, really. No need to haul on the straights, I'm not gonna lie to you. I realize that on back roads, if you're hauling on the straights, I'm literally just eating gas excessively and then catching up to slow traffic like I am right now. So hopefully gonna give this guy in front of me a little bit of time, but I know I'm gonna catch him in 2 seconds flat. Yep, just like that. Caught our traffic, and oh, this car is currently, as a stutter. Currently this car is on stock catalytic converters, but when I do get a high flow cat, I can't wait because I already hear a little bit of the pops and the bangs in the car right now, but they're so muffled. It's like a poof, poof kind of sound, you know? It's not actually getting out. So I really look forward to actually opening that up a little bit so I can hear the cracks and the pops in person, you know? It's gonna be pretty cool. My buddy Andrew actually has a high flow and used to have a test pipe on his car, and it just sounds absolutely fantastic. So I really can't wait to hear one on this car itself. It kind of depends, I guess, obviously on what your idea of slow is, but if you want to go on the back roads and have a car that has all the power you'd ever need to get you into any trouble that you can ever be in, this is the car. Like, you don't need more power than this on back roads. If you're running straights, sure. But at the same time, like, why would you get a Honda and run it in straight lines. I mean, you can put all the work in the world into it and boost the daylights out of it, but honestly, if you got a backroads car, this thing absolutely rips. So today's video was made for all my Honda fans. I know I've been away from Honda for quite some time now. I've been doing all my Mazda stuff, but I'll tell you what, the car is still with me. I still darn love this car. And when I get back from my Miata road trip, I'll be doing a ton more work on this car, trying to restore some of the parts that just ain't the best, along with doing some modifications. There'll be a cool bit of S2000 stuff, but just warn you, there will be a lot of Miata stuff over the next month, but I think it should be absolutely fantastic. I'll be literally driving the car across the US, camping along the whole way in some amazing spots. So if that's your guys' jam, if you like road trips, if you like car camping, if you like beautiful nature, if you like old JDM cars, that is, you know, that's a series for you. So thank you very much for following today. Really appreciate you keeping up the adventure. Thank you very much for everyone new to the channel who has decided to subscribe. Big thanks to everyone who's been around a while. Y'all mean the world to me. And of course, keep it mellow.